Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great, learning this language great way. Today I am sharing with you how to start your speaking journey. Yeah, how to improve your English. Yes, you are only thinking. You are beginner, you are zero level. Yeah, but you are only thinking how to start my speaking journey. You are afraid, you are stuck. Yeah, you are hesitated. You are afraid what people will say. Yeah, but you are really you learn this language, you decide, and you start your speaking journey. Yes, only you are not only thinking. Yeah, your action is the most important. You are not daily thinking, I have start tomorrow, I have start my next month, but this is not good. you start your you start your now. Tomorrow you will not come your life. Tomorrow you will never come your life. Yes, you are first of all your actions, your daily small sentence, your daily small sentence you speak, your daily small sentence, make this a sentence. Yeah, your daily use this the daily use this the vocabulary, you are make this a sentence, and your daily make this a sentence, and you are speak these sentences, and you build your confidence. You're not actions, you're not build your confidence. You daily try to speak, you're slowly, you're grow your confidence. Every day you will learn. You take a lot of time the learning this language. Your patience. This language is not a 15 days and 1 month. You're not learn about this language. This language is a 1 year, 2 year, and you are 1 year 2 year, you're learn about this language, you're become a fluently speaker. But first time your actions, first time you're not correct this the sentence, you're not correct this the sentence structure, but your daily speak, you are remember your mistake, and you are correct this the sentence structure. Yes, my second thing is you're using this the social media. I would say you will use this social media. You are improve your communication skill. You are daily watching this small story, and you are understanding this the story, and you are learn this the new vocabulary, and you are make this a sentence. Social media you only not time pass. You learn about this social media. You are learning this the social media. Social media. Yes, social media, you are not only time pass, you are scrolling these uh, reels, and you are watch. This is not good things. Your daily watch this the podcast, your daily watch this the short story, and you are understanding. Okay, you daily try to speak, you are listen and you are speak. Okay, uh, you will learn about this language. Okay, thank you watching this my video. My video is like and subscribe, and you can do and you can speak. We will meet next video. Bye bye.